Back with another quick update for you wonderful viewers, wonderful subscribers. So much things happening in the world of entertainment, the world of dancehall, and the world of social media right now. So some of the trending stories that are out there is Tommy Lee getting arrested with illegal possession of firearm. Also Spice and RT Boss, their thing as well that has been going on social media. So let's just talk a little bit about Tommy Lee now. Well, as you know, Tommy Lee, he has been under the radar from the local authorities for a while now. He had been implicated in a number of incidents before, and he was actually set free by the courts because they could not really find that conclusive evidence in order to hold him for an extended period of time. Now the dancehall artist again is caught in a controversy as it relates to a vehicle in which he was traveling in was stopped and he was actually searched, and it's alleged that the weapon was found in his waistband, and that's a 9mm pistol with an extra magazine with 18 live rounds of ammunition. Now it doesn't look good for Tommy Lee at this current moment, based on the fact that he was actually found with the weapon in his possession. So charges have been laid against him, and he has so far secured the services of an attorney. However, as it stands, it's very unclear whether or not Tommy Lee will be off the rocks for this one, based on the evidence that are at him right now and the state that he was found in, as he was in possession of the weapon. As you know, Tommy Lee was implicated in Montego Bay as it relates to some latches scamming documents that were found on a computer system which was owned to the entertainer. The entertainer had stated in the court report that a number of people had access to the actual laptop, so he could not have been the one that posted those documents to the laptop, and the court actually freed him in that relation. Well, all I can say, just wish him all the best, and hopefully he does pull through this one, because he has been under the police radar for a number of time, and he have been off and on. He has been taken into custody. He has spent a number of time in there, and so far a number of other things have happened over the period of his life, and he has tried his best to just go across the dragnet of the police and just try his best to go around the system from time to time. However, it seems that the system catch up on him now, and this one is going to be very difficult for him to fight off based on what they found him with at this time. But that's one of the trending stories out there, and that's just what we have to say as it relates to that. On to the next story now. Spice and RT Boss, the Reader Man. So a number of videos, voice notes and messages have surfaced online as it relates to Spice seeking some Reader Man advice, or spiritual advice, I would say, in order to better her career. There have been allegations against former dancehall queen, I should say, Lady Saw, as to her having a hand in the initial stage of Spice's career, trying to bring it down as it relates to using Obeahed in a jacket that was given to the upcoming DJ Spice in those days. So Lady Saw sought to clear the air as it relates to that as well, and she's actually stating that she had never gave Spice any clothes or jacket per se. The only time she can recall giving Spice any sort of clothes was at one point when she asked her to sell some clothes on her behalf. That was the only time that she can recall doing that. So there have been a number of other people that have been drawn into the whole saga and the whole mayhem that is going on social media, and it's not looking good as Spice dancers are brought into the drama. The baby father of Spice as well have been brought into the drama, and there have been some serious allegations as well as it relates to him committing an act of rape as well, allegedly. And there have been number of speculation as to the child not belonging to him, and that is one of Spice's child, and the child is allegedly belonging to a next entertainer. So these are just the basic stories that are out there, and these are just what is going on as it relates to the whole social media thing in dancehall right now. But all I can say, I just try my very best to just keep you up to date with these stories, and just try my very best to keep you on track with them. I'll be providing a later report as it relates to most of these stories, and just try to update you, the public, with regards to that. But until then, peace out and bless. Links 007 TV, the place to be where you get the best in local and international entertainment.